Alrighty, so today it's cooking with Sopahnny in the kitchen. Let's name this segment Sopahnny in the kitchen. What are you going to cook today, Sopahnny?
Nakmon.
Nakmon.
Yeah.
Which in English is basically chicken and vegetables.
Yeah.
With some secret herbs and spices that we're going to throw into, or that
Yeah,
she'll put into it. And let's watch for a little while and see what she does. And some of the ingredients she won't be able to talk about in English, which is okay, but we'll work our way through it. So basically she's just adding salt at the moment, so that's pretty straightforward. We'll know what salt is. What are you adding here, Sopahnny? What's this? Show us. We all see.
So here pepper and
Different type of pepper.
and here pepper vậy thủ.
Soy sauce, yeah. We use soy sauce and fish sauce and hoisin sauce in a lot of our cooking. Not all at once, sometimes all at once, sometimes not all at once. Different ingredients. If you've travelled around Asia a bit, you would know this, especially if you've been and seen some cooking demonstrations. A lot of these ingredients are quite the same. Sometimes the cooking methods are very different. In here we cook on gas in our condo.
Yeah.
In a future episode we'll do a cooking demonstration with Sopahnny's mum. Sopahnny's mum is a fantastic cook. She had her own restaurant for many years, and still today, even in her late 70s, she's still cooking on an open fire in her own kitchen. She has a house and she has a kitchen inside the house, but she doesn't use it. She actually uses the outside kitchen. Sopahnny's just cutting up some garlic here now. And we've got some beef and some chicken. Mixing all those ingredients.
Yeah. In here fish.
So in here, this is what we're putting in it. So we've got cabbage, we've got onion.
In here
cut
chạp.
Yeah, okay.
Cut small.
English, yes, the smell, onion, lemongrass, different types of bay leaves.
Yeah.
That we're going to add to it as well.
And here water coconut.
Coconut water. Okay.
Yeah. Very good.
Yeah, coconut water to this one.
Yeah.
We'll let her just keep mixing this up for a little while, and then we'll come back in a second and she starts putting it all into the frying pan.
Cook soon.
So now we're starting the cooking process. You're putting the chicken in first, Sopahnny?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Sometimes cook with like chicken, but now I in here fresh chicken only one.
Breast chicken.
Like chicken or
yeah, or the wings, yeah. Ooh, sizzling away there. A little bit too hot. Okay, we'll fix that up. Adding the lemongrass and the bay leaves. The water spitting out of the chicken breast, yeah. So the chicken breasts, Sopahnny, we buy those from from CP. Yeah, and the chicken breasts from CP butchers. How much is that a kilo? How much for 1 kilo chicken breast in CP? $3.50 for 1 kilo of chicken breast. It's pretty good. Fresh every day. We're very fortunate. There's a number of CP butchers around Phnom Penh. We just happen to have one only literally a 5-minute walk from home. So we're very lucky. They don't just do chicken, they also have pork, and they do a little bit of beef, and they do all different types of cuts. So they have the chicken breasts, and also they have the chicken wings, chicken legs. Asians love their chicken feet, so they have the chicken feet as well. And they do steak, and they do a number of grocery lines as well. So we might do a bit of a trip in there one day, and we'll show you around. So it's not a huge shop, just a small little shop, but everything is freshly cut and made in the shop there. So it's quite good, and very, very reasonable, as Sopahnny just said. $3.50 a kilo for chicken breast, fresh chicken breast. I know for you Australian viewers, I think you're probably paying anywhere between $10 and $15 a kilo for chicken breast. So that is $3.50 US, which is roughly around about $5.70 to $6 a kilo Australian. Cook away there for a little bit, brown it all up. As you see, the chicken is starting to brown up nicely now. Cambodians actually call that, what do they call it when it browns up? Cream.
Cream. Like a little cream.
Like a little. We call it browning up. Somebody calls it black a little. And then once that actually browns up, we're then going to add the coconut milk before, this is the next ingredient that goes in, before she starts adding any of the cabbage or onion, spring onions, Spanish onions, garlic, a couple other ingredients that she has there to put in as well. I think there's a little bit of ginger goes in as well. Now we're going to eat this with what? What are we going to rice or noodles? What do we eat this with?
With rice, no, with noodles, no. With rice.
Noodles, no. This is just purely a rice dish. Some of them you can mix and match. You can put in rice or the noodles in your dishes, but this particular one is just rice only.
Yeah, rice only.
Smelling amazing, Sopahnny.
Yeah. In here, the pot, cut up.
Okay.
Then look, smell very good.
Yeah, smells very good, yeah. You go for coconut water, a little bit. About a third of what she had, she's just put in there now. Let that simmer away. Going to add the cabbage. She's actually adding the cabbage as in quarters, and the onion. It goes in. That's basically whole onion cut in half.
Yeah.
A little bit different to how we cook in the Western world or the European world. We'd often cut up all that cabbage smaller. Here they just put it all together. It'll actually come out in, once it's cooked, it'll actually be bigger chunks of cabbage. You can cut that up finer if you want to, but this is how she's done it and how she has learned to do it. We'll let that simmer away for a little bit and we'll come back shortly. Alright, so let's all that in now. It's been cooking away for 5 or so minutes and it looks like it's all ready. So, cabbage going in there. It will break up once you're in the bowl, obviously. We're big people now. chicken. And then once it's all plated up into there, we'll get a bowl of rice each, and we'll be able to
It's only about a 2-3 minute ride on the motorbike from our place. Okay, so at this festival they'll have a lot of markets.